Ang off. Bakit? Why do you need to congratulate Xi Jinping? Scheduled naman yan. There's nothing to congratulate about. Hindi naman siya award. It's a responsibility na pag miyembro ka ng APEC, rotational na i-host mo. Unless, of course, there is a untoward incident or special reason why you can't. Tapos lumapit ka at nagmukha talagang it looks so embarrassing kasi nakita mo talagang nag-rush up talaga si Wang Yi in order to I don't know to know what's going on or whatever. Just to give you a context, this is not the first time that he ambushed Xi Jinping.
Ang sabi niya, I congratulated President Xi as China assumes the APEC chairmanship and reaffirmed the Philippines' commitment to partnership and meaningful cooperation in our region. Matapos niyang
iba, what does it actually mean? What does it actually mean? Cooperation? Pagkatapos, dude, 23, 24, all your time as president, walang ginawa yung administration mo, kundi iba siyang China, babuyin yung mga taong akala ninyo na pinagbibintangan ninyo na mouthpiece ng Beijing. Kulang na nga lang is pahilirahin nyo itong mga to at i-firing squad ninyo sa Luneta, katulad nung ginawa sa mga makapili. Tapos yung mga nag-aaral dito sa China ng mga Pilipino, pinagbibintangan ninyo ng kung ano-ano. Tapos sasabihin, yung pag-aaral, yung pag-aaral ko dito, no? This is actually a product of the Philippine-Chinese partnership because of the Digong foreign policy. No, ito scholarship na to, kaya meron yan sa Pilipinas. Kaya nasama ang Pilipinas. Tapos bigla mo sasabihin na we look, cooperation and yung mga produkto ng cooperation, parati yung sinisiraan. So,